Listen to the text and try to answer the questions at the end to test your listening and understanding of English. I will provide sample answers you can compare your answers to. Check out learnwithtext.com for more. Mixture Mastery: Unleashing the Secrets of Perfect Blends. Have you ever wondered what makes a mixture truly exceptional? The kind that leaves your taste buds dancing in delight and leaves you craving for more? Well, my friends, get ready to embark on a flavorful journey as we dive into the secrets of mastering the art of mixtures. Picture this: a medley of ingredients coming together, each bringing its unique character to the table. It's like a symphony, where every note plays a crucial role in creating a harmonious blend. But how do you ensure that the final concoction surpasses your wildest expectations? Fear not, for we shall demystify the process for you. First, let's talk about balance. A great mixture strikes the perfect equilibrium between its constituent parts. It's like a delicate dance between flavors, where no single element overpowers the others. Think of it as a tightrope act, where precision and finesse are key. The result? A taste that is nothing short of heavenly. But how does one achieve this balance, you may ask? Well, it starts with understanding the individual characteristics of each ingredient. Just like people, ingredients have their own personalities. Some are bold and assertive, while others are subtle and delicate. By grasping the essence of each element, you can harmonize their flavors to create a masterpiece. Now, let's discuss the art of experimentation. The beauty of mixtures lies in their versatility. Don't be afraid to venture into uncharted territory and try unconventional combinations. Who knows, you might stumble upon a culinary revelation that will dazzle your taste buds like never before. Remember, some of the greatest inventions were born out of audacious experimentation. To truly unlock the potential of your mixtures, it's essential to embrace your intuition. Let your senses guide you as you explore the endless possibilities. Sometimes, the best results emerge when you trust your gut rather than relying solely on preconceived notions. So, go ahead, take risks, and let your culinary instincts be your guide. Next, let's delve into the power of contrast. Just as life thrives on diversity, mixtures thrive on contrasting elements. Sweet and salty, spicy and tangy, smooth and crunchy, these are the building blocks of an extraordinary blend. It's the interplay of contrasting flavors that ignites your palate and keeps you coming back for more. Now, I must impart a secret that has been passed down through generations of culinary enthusiasts. Are you ready? The secret lies in patience. Yes, my friends, patience is truly a virtue when it comes to mixtures. Allow the flavors to mingle and develop over time, like a well-aged wine. Give them the space they need to evolve and create magic on your taste buds. Lastly, remember that perfection is subjective. What may be an exquisite blend to one person might not resonate with another. So, trust your taste buds and embrace your unique preferences. After all, the beauty of mixtures lies in their ability to cater to a wide range of palates. In conclusion, mastering the art of mixtures is an exhilarating journey that requires a delicate balance, fearless experimentation, trust in your intuition, and an appreciation for contrast. It's about savoring the process and relishing in the results. So, my fellow culinary adventurers, go forth and create mixtures that will leave a lasting impression on your taste buds and elevate your gastronomic experiences to new heights. Bon appetit! Ready to answer the questions? Share your answers in the comments. Q1. What is the main theme of the article? Ready for the answer? 3, 2, 1. The main theme of the article is the art of creating exceptional mixtures by achieving a balance of flavors, embracing experimentation, trusting intuition, appreciating contrast, and practicing patience. Q2. How did the balance of flavors contribute to the overall appeal of the mixture? Ready for the answer? 3, 2, 1. The balance of flavors ensures that no single ingredient overpowers the others, creating a harmonious and enjoyable taste experience. By achieving a delicate equilibrium between the constituent parts, the mixture becomes more pleasing to the palate and allows the unique characteristics of each ingredient to shine. Q3. Why is it important to embrace experimentation when creating mixtures? Ready for the answer? 3, 2, 1. Embracing experimentation allows for the discovery of unconventional combinations and culinary revelations. It opens up new possibilities and can lead to surprising and delightful flavor profiles. Experimentation fosters creativity and pushes the boundaries of what is considered traditional, resulting in exciting and unique mixtures. Q4. Do you agree that patience is a key factor in achieving a perfect blend? Why or why not? Ready for the answer? 3, 2, 1. Yes, patience is indeed a key factor in achieving a perfect blend. Allowing flavors to mingle and develop over time enhances the complexity and depth of the mixture. Patience enables the ingredients to interact and create harmonious relationships, resulting in a more refined and satisfying taste. Just as with a well-aged wine, time allows the flavors to evolve and reach their full potential, ultimately contributing to the perfection of the blend. Q5. How can contrasting flavors enhance the culinary experience? Ready for the answer? 3, 2, 1. Contrasting flavors add excitement and intrigue to the culinary experience. They create a dynamic interplay on the palate, engaging multiple taste receptors and awakening the senses. The combination of sweet and salty, spicy and tangy, or smooth and crunchy creates a delightful contrast that stimulates the taste buds and keeps the experience interesting. Contrasting flavors provide a balance of sensations, intensify the overall taste experience, and leave a lasting impression.